而家就由查理斯王儲咧喺度英女王讀出贈詞。
Governor, Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, I've been asked by Her Majesty the Queen to read the following message. 5 hours from now, the Union flag will be lowered and the flag of China will fly over Hong Kong. More than a century and a half of British administration will come to an end.
王儲話咧，仲有5個鐘頭，英國嘅國旗就要降低，咁中國國旗就會飄揚喺香港。150幾年嚟嘅英國管治咧就會告終㗎啦。
There have been times of sacrifice, suffering, and courage. As Hong Kong has risen from the ashes of war,
咁佢話香港從一個細小嘅小埠啦，發展成為一個世界上最主要嘅城市。咁期間咧經歷過苦痛，咁但係咧亦都顯示出人民嘅啲勇氣㗎。
Britain is both proud and privileged to have been involved with this success story. Proud of the British values and institutions that have been the framework for Hong Kong's success.
佢話咧喺香港呢個成功嘅故事裏面，咁英國係有份參與，咁佢係感到自豪同埋感到榮幸。佢話自豪嘅就係英國喺價值觀同埋各種嘅制度方面咧，為香港成功咁提供咗一個架構。
The British flag will be lowered.
而榮幸嘅就係曾經同港人密切共處，咁佢話香港人咧才智橫溢，咁能夠咧係以上述嘅架構做基礎而成就咗今日嘅成就嘅。
Million Hong Kong residents are British nationals. Thousands of young Hong Kong men and women study in Britain every year. We share language.
咁佢話咧，香港人當中有超過350萬英國嘅國民，每年咧亦都有數以千計嘅香港人咧喺英國求學㗎。咁英語係我哋共通嘅語言。
The shared legacy of family and of friendship, trade and investment, culture and history run strong and deep.
英國同香港咧喺各方面無論係朋友、家庭、商業嘅經貿啊、文化歷史方面咧都好深厚嘅淵源㗎。
We are also part of each other's future. We are confident that the ties between us will not only endure, but will continue to develop.
佢話英國同香港咧
In a shrinking world,
佢有信心兩地之間嘅聯繫係會歷久不衰嘅，咁而且會持續發展落去添。
Asia's gateway to Europe will reinforce the bonds between our two societies.
佢話香港咧係歐洲通去亞洲嘅大門，咁而英國咧就係亞洲通去歐洲嘅大門。咁兩笪地方咧各自扮演自己角色，咁將來咧嘅聯繫會更加鞏固。
Which will be inaugurated in a few hours' time, will be our largest in the world. The Sino-British Joint Liaison Group will continue for another 2.5 years to discuss.
佢話英國政府同佢自己咧都會繼續關切住香港嘅事務㗎。咁所以聯合聯絡小組會繼續工作2年半啦，收到有關實施聯合聲明嘅各樣事項㗎。咁啊，聯合聲明本身係繼續有效，為期50年嘅。
Hong Kong now faces its transition to Chinese sovereignty in excellent condition, prosperous, stable, and dynamic. Unprecedented though this moment in history may be, we have the utmost confidence in the abilities and resilience of the Hong Kong people. Britain learnt long ago.
佢話咧，面對香港嘅主權移交俾中國，呢個時候咧可以話係史無前例嘅。咁但係佢就對香港人嘅能力同埋韌力係充滿信心。佢話好耐之前咧，英國已經明白到，唯有香港人係最清楚乜嘢係對香港有好處嘅。香港人必定能夠好似聯合聲明承諾咁樣去管治香港。佢亦都好毫無疑問，亦都好深信咧，恪守聯合聲明就係香港繼續成功嘅關鍵。
咁最後就係恭祝香港過渡順利同埋繼續平安繁榮㗎。咁王儲查理斯致辭之後呢，依家全場嘅焦點呢，可以話集中喺台上嘅英國旗同埋香港旗上面啦。英國管治之下嘅最後一次日落降旗儀式呢，即將開始。依家落緊滂沱大雨啦。咁較早前呢，雨季曾經停過，咁但係呢最後呢一刻呢，雨最後就落過啦。